say this often, but you feel different. I've been quiet with my heart for a long time, holding words like they might break me. I learned how to love from a distance, so nobody could take me. I was safe in the silence I built, never letting nobody come close. But you walked in like you knew me, like you heard what I never spoke. I'm learning you slowly, don't rush me gently. I'm trying to stay when I wanna run away. I'm learning love even when I'm afraid. If I let you in, promise you won't change. Without thinking you'll disappear. Every time something feels too real, I mistake it for fear. I've been fighting shadows in my mind, turning love into something to doubt. But the way you say my name at night makes it hard to walk out. I'm learning you slowly, don't rush me gently. I'm trying to stay when I wanna run away. I'm learning love your way, even when I'm afraid. If I let you in, I promise you won't change. If I break in your hands, will you hold me? If I cry